It is indeed the top seed and the reigning Wimbledon champion who is up next on center court in Birmingham. Garbiñe Muguruza, who will be taking on the Czech, a former finalist, two-time finalist in Birmingham, Barbora Strycova. But not the second. And on a double fault, Strycova, the first to break through, 2-1. Strike from Muguruza.
40-15. Game is
just tailing wide. And the sun coming out just as he was hitting the serve there, Muguruza. 2 breaks now to the good for Strycova. 5-2.
Leave the balls now, guys. Umbrellas, please.
A venomous drive there on the backhand from Strycova.
6-2.
And that is a super set from her. Takes the opener 6-2.
Umbrellas, guys.
Super curled forehand from Strycova. And what a way to get the break. What a get in the corner from Strycova. Kept the point going. Muguruza had no chance to be aggressive off that ball. And then later the unforced error coming. So we're back on serve quickly in this second set. Catching the line from Muguruza.
Missed it, original corner on the left. Service line, balls call out.
Challenge, huge one. I think she thought it was long, the umpire. It was. And on a double fault after saving the 2 break points.
Game.
It is a break for Muguruza. Had to win that point a few times, so did some Muguruza. Shifted her body ever so nicely there, Strycova. And once again in this set, she's broken back Muguruza. 2 break points. And that too misses. She is challenging Muguruza. It looked like it did tail wide. Hawkeye, I think, will confirm that call. It was. And now she'll call for the coach. Time is running out. Muguruza 5-4.
Miss Muguruza is requesting coaching court.
Made that also. 2 of them saved. And there it is. The 2-time finalist in Birmingham, Barbora Strycova, has taken out the top seed in Birmingham, Garbiñe Muguruza, in straight sets, coming from a breakdown in the second set. And it's the first top 10 win of the season for Strycova, a first top 10 win since she beat Muguruza last year into the season. 6-2, 6-4, the final score read.